Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to get the dataset from online over the internet and how to import it into your Google Colab and start your data science project. So first of all, we need to go to our drive. Now in that drive, you may create one folder for your project. Like I'm going to create a new folder here. Says project data science. Okay, after creating the project, after creating the folder, we'll get inside that folder, click on new, go to more and select Google Collaboratory. So it will create a new project of Google Colab into that particular folder. Okay, first let us import some important library we need in a data science project. Like what's this? Pandas. Second one is NumPy. Matplotlib.pyplot and cbon. Let me remove this one, and here it is. Okay, so library is imported. Now we need to connect our drive with this notebook, and to do that you need to go to files, click on the third option, that is a drive, mount drive, click on connect to Google Drive, and after some time it will connect your Google Drive with this notebook. Okay, so we got this drive folder here, that is our Google Drive. Now I have one CSV file or any other data set into my drive, and I want to import it into this notebook. So you have to go to that particular CSV file from here. So click on drive, then click on my drive. Here all my folders are here. So just we need to select, let's go to subject, data science or DAP. Let's go to the data science here, and we'll take one of the CSV file available here. So let's take this one, book details.csv. So here you need to click on this three dots and click on copy path, and after that click on this code part, create one path variable and start a single quote, end its quote, and between this starting and ending quote you just paste that path. Okay, now you can close this box. Okay, so we got the path of this file completely. Okay, now to import it we need to create one variable called data is equals to pd dot, as the file is CSV we will use read.csv, and we just need to add path, and let's display the data dot head, and let's take 10 records only. Okay, now we can run this code. Okay, so here we have the complete data set of book details. Okay, now you can start analyzing this data. Okay, and for example you want to see that how many of these columns have a missing value, the first thing we need to find out is the number of missing values we have in any of the variable. So we can just run the code like data dot is null dot sum, right? And you can just run this and you will get the list of variables and with the number of missing values in each of the variable. Like here, a book name, one record is there with the missing value of book name, 3 records are there with the missing value of author name, and another value record is there with the missing value of publisher. After that, you can start handling this state missing value analysis and perform any imputation method to resolve these 3 things. In the next lecture, we will see how we can implement the imputation techniques for handling our missing values, and we also see how to handle the outliers inside our dataset. Okay, thank you.